Bingelele abashayeli balolu hlelo, ngibingelela nabaholi engihamba nabo eduze kwami. Ngifisa uku-articulate ukuthi siqembu le-National Freedom Party since Friday uComrade Vuyiswa obebuye abe umam president we-National Freedom Party nobuholi basedumbe be-ad hoc okuholwa usihlalo wethu Mdiniso nosekela nobhala jikelele obuye abe usomlomo edumbe nabaholi bonke abama-NWC members who are residing edumbe. They had embarked on a journey of going to various different places edumbe la befike khona kwelinye ibandla bacela umkhuleko, bashiya umnikelo ukuthi ibandla likwazi ukuqhubeka lakhe, bavakashela abantu abadala banikeza okuya ngasethunjini, babanikeza amaphinifu, bahlangana nomfowethu obekhubazekile ocele khona ukuthi athengele electronic wheelchair, esigcine iqembu liyithenga. Sabona ama-different civic societies abacele khona amabhodwe, bacela ney'tofu zokupheka namabandla becela umfanekiswano. The purpose of this event that started on Friday was to remind abantu basedumbe ukuthi NFP still exists. The spirit of kaMagwaza Msibi of visiting the poorest of the poor and helping the people, sisihamba ngalo mzila, sihamba live lehambe khona. So besenza lokho impela sonto yonke, savashela nababandla, saba nama youth activities, besebenzisa i-visibility campaign la besihlezi khona nabantu abasha, sibraya, sibakhankasa bejoyina, besandulela umcimbi wanamhlanje kaJune 16. Thina siqembu le-NFP, we are not calling it a celebration because we are tired of celebrating. Because if we celebrate 1976, their struggle was over after 1994 of the youth of 76. But our struggle, ours was to remind the people of South Africa, the young people of National Freedom Party, ukuthi your struggle is drugs. Your struggle is unemployment. Your struggle is corruption. Your struggle is you are graduating, but your field of study becomes irrelevant to you and it does not help you as a young person. So besizobakhumbuza abantu abasha ukuthi now they must take to the streets a similar pattern, but different in this fashion. We cannot now carry petrol bombs and stones, march against the government. What we need to do is to remind the young person is to go and stand on the streets on the 4th of November and elect a tenacious and a responsible government. And we had availed ourselves as the National Freedom Party to say, we got a track record, young people, that we have been delivering, and we are an organization where we say our word is our currency. If we are promised to do something, we might not do it on record time, but if it even takes us 2 years, at the end of the day, we do live up to our promise. No, I want to articulate this position to say there was disruption caused by internal squabbles of the organization due to ill-disciplined members. You witnessed there yourselves. It was not more than 50 people chanting in a hall with over 1,000 people. And at the end of the day, bagcine nabo sebeshaya izandla kanye nathi, sebecula kanye nathi, sebejabulela izinto besizoyinikeza abantu. So at the end of the day, NFP was a winner. But I say to those young and old people who were making noise, who were rudely interrupting, you say NFP, buyani nizofola under umthetho we-NFP. NFP is a constitutional organization and is structural. So if you act outside the ambit of the constitution, we're going to deal with you. Siyamcela uComrade Mkhabela na yonke leli thimba lakhe befika linikeza utshwala lizodelela i-NFP. Cha comrade, awuphole wehle utshwala ube sober. The NFP has taken a decision and ayizukuhlehla i-NFP. Muse i-NFP uclaim uyithanda nje ukuthi ayithanda, follow the decisions of the National Executive and be a disciplined member. Besiyokwenza lokho ke. sasi-interrupt-wa-ke le nkeshezane epheleni kosuku umcimbi uqhubeke kahle sakwenza befanele sikwenze. And we've taken a decision again ukuthi kwi-Women's Month siphindele edumbe siyocelebrate kahle. I want us to honor the women of Edumbe and the rest of the women in our movement. And nalabo ke babesivakashele beyabesifazane sizobakhombisa uthando. Leli iqembu lomuntu wesifazane. Mina njengomuntu wesilisa engithathe emva kwa-Visit, I am her firstborn in this organization and I'm leading it. And I want, when my term is up, someone else to take this organization beyifica isicula ngazwi linye ikhuluma ngaphansi komthethosisekelo wodwa. Okwamanje kusekwampuza edlemini because we had a problem of 9 years singenabo ubuholo obuqondile. So wonke umuntu ebenza umathanda. So ke kunzima ke kwabanye ukulalela umthetho nokuthi bajwayele ukuthi ekukhona obaphetheyo. Ade uphethe musuphethe kubanzima ukuthi ulalele. But we love all of them. And those who want to come back, come back. Just promise that you're going to be disciplined. I love all of them. NFP is still growing in leaps and bounds. We still have programs people are going to see on our socials that we are continuing even outside the province of KwaZulu-Natal, because the NFP is the only organization that is an option for all South Africans to give it a chance. We are saying, as our manifesto, while sikhuluma nabantu, give us a chance to make a difference in your lives. Thank you.